Hello everybody, today we are going to unbox Nokia 105 mobile. This is a basic feature phone, so it will be very much advantage for a second phone or phone for the elders. So let us unbox first. I have ordered it in Amazon, so today it has reached, and now I will first cut the seal. I must see that whether it is damaged or not. No, there is no damage in the box, so I can now unbox. Okay, I have a scissor. Better I will cut it. Okay, it's done. There is product specification, you can see. Okay. So this is our box sent by the company Nokia 105, and there are 3 offers. For Airtel, get free talk time of 500, for Idea 600, and for Vodafone 600. And also don't forget to search for the warranty card and bill. So this is our bill and can be used for any further correspondence if there is any problem, or if it goes to get its warranty advantage. Now here is our box. Oh, this is the phone. 3 colors are available. One is sky blue, another one is pure black, and third one is white. So this is sky blue color I have ordered, and exactly what color I have ordered, that is delivered to my home. Its size is actually 112 by 49.4 by 14.4 millimeter, and weight is 73 gram, excluding the battery. Battery is already available with the package. The phone is GSM, no confusion. It has micro USB 2.0, and a mini SIM is there for SIM card. So no doubt this phone will be very good for grandfathers, grandmothers, dadu, dida, thakuma and thakurdas. So now let us see. I had brought this phone for my Didu, and I think she will like it very much. This phone is having very good battery, 800 mAh. The battery is removable, and 2G phone, simple phone. RAM is 4 MB, storage capacity is 4 MB also. That means you maximum you can have up to 1000 contacts, so no problem, very user friendly. Now let us see where is the battery. So adapter, charger is available with the pack. Don't forget to check it, and also your battery. Now you have to open the battery slot. Very carefully, no problem, this is made of hard plastic. And then to insert the battery. So your phone is ready. Now let us see whether it is charged or not. Yes, there is some charge, but your duty is to charge it for at least 6 to 7 hours. There are several languages available: Bengali, Malayalam, Marathi, Gujarati, English. You can choose any of them. Then you adjust clocks and etc. Okay, then you can use your phone, and don't forget to charge it. Okay, thank you very much for seeing the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.